In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a bucket inside of Google Cloud Console. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser, and then from here you'll need to go up to console.cloud.google.com and then log into your account. Now from here, it should look something like this once you get into your project. Now from here, you'll need to go down to Cloud Storage, or if you don't see this already, you can also go up to the search bar and click in Cloud Storage, like so. Then from here, under Product and Pages or Top Result, it should be looking something like this. Now from here, you'll need to go over to the left-hand side, and down here you'll be able to see the bucket section. Now from here, you can see an overview of all of your different buckets that you have previously created, or if you don't already have created one, it will be empty like this. But from here, you'll simply need to go up here to click Create, and then from here, it should look something like this. Now from here, you'll be able to see that the location pricing will be here, that you'll be able to see the US will be of about this gigabyte per month. Our default application will be this per month. From here, you'll need to get started by adding in a name for this specific bucket. So let's just call it just 5 for this tutorial. You can also add it to a label if you want to do that and click continue by clicking here and add label. Now from here, you'll simply need to click continue, like so. And from here, you'll need to enter in the location type. From here, you'll also need to choose how to store your data, where you can choose either auto class or set a default. You can also optimize storage or data intensive workloads by enabling hierarchically namespaces for this bucket, or enable rapid cache. From here, you'll need to choose how to control access to objects, where you can change it from uniform to fine-grained. And lastly, you'll be able to create the specific bucket by clicking right here. And as you can see, public access will be prevented, and you can enforce public access prevention on this bucket. And you can also click if you don't want to see this message again. From here, you'll simply need to click confirm, and then from here, you have successfully created your bucket inside of Google Cloud Console. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!